How to log in Ocean Credit Card online. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you log in or sign in to your Ocean Credit Card online. So let's get started. First, as you have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the source field, you'll have to search for oceancard.co.uk. After you search for that, you can find this kind of interface. From here, at the top right, tap on menu. From menu section, tap on credit cards. From here, tap on our credit card. And from the section, simply tap on sign in at the top right. And from the section, you'll have to just enter your username or password. Username could be your email address. Simply you'll have to provide it. After you enter correct username or password, simply tap on sign in, or you can also directly tap on the option I forgot my username or password. If you haven't forgotten your username or password, simply from there you can as usual recover that. After that, you'll be able to log in or access your Ocean credit card online. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.